Hey guys, so my Smile Brilliant box recently arrived, and inside I have already done the molds, but let me tell you what came in it. They gave you 3 sets of Catalyst and base putties. They're in little containers like this. What happens is you mix these together to make your mold, and I already went ahead and made my molds of my upper and lower bites basically of all my teeth. So what you do is you will send these molds out. They give you the shipping label and shipping envelope underneath. That's what this pink thing is underneath here. Then they'll send you back your molds, your trays for bleaching your teeth, and then they give you desensitizing gel and teeth whitening gels in this kit. And they also give you a little instruction booklet, and it tells you how to make the mold, what to do with the different putties. It tells you how to make your impression and then send back and then wait for further instructions. So that is where I am right now. I went ahead and did these last night. I did have to do one of them twice, which is why they give you 3 sets. In case you mess up one, you can do it again. I just want to show you what the containers look like. This one was the blue paste and this one was the white. You mix them together and then the hardening starts. And so about a day later, this is what they look like, and they're ready to mail out. So I will be mailing them out tomorrow. So stay tuned for the next step. Hey guys, I thought it was time to bring you kind of my wrap up of my experience with the Smile Brilliant teeth bleaching products and kit. So as previously mentioned, I send you a box like this in the mail. Inside you get the impression material, so you get the base and the catalyst paste. You mix these together, put them in the mold, fit them to your teeth, and then you mail the mold out and you get your little whitening trays in the mail that are custom fitted to your teeth within about a week or 2. It took about 2 weeks for me to get mine, which is nice. These are reusable. So this is what they send you. And then you get these 2 syringes. You get 4 of the purple and 4 of the peach. The peach is the teeth whitening gel. I'm not going to open it right now, but inside is a syringe full of the teeth whitening gel. You put them in the little trays. You pop them onto dry teeth and leave them on for anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, depending on your tooth sensitivity and the results that you want to achieve. I left mine on from 1 to 2 hours every other day because I was worried about sensitivity. Then once you take these off, you brush your teeth, and then you clean out the trays and put the desensitizing gel in the trays and wear these for, I think it was like 15 to 30 minutes. And this gel helps to prevent staining while you're doing this. So like if you were to drink grape juice the next day, it would prevent staining. It helps for the teeth whitening gel to really stick and whiten your teeth. So I thought that was nice. It also helps to prevent sensitivity, as it says, desensitizing gel. So I started this in, I would say, early August. And then as you guys know, we had that whole squirrel debacle, which kind of uprooted our lives for about a week or 2 until we knew they were all gone. So I was doing it about every other day. I did take a week off. So this is what my smile looks like after about a month of using it every other day. I do feel like it did whiten, but I still have a lot of yellow in my teeth. I am a tea drinker, and I do like dark things like grape juice and mango juice, and I love to eat carrot soup. I love all colorful things, it seems. So this is what they look like afterwards. I will post a before and after. My teeth were like completely yellow from root to tip before, and it definitely took a lot of that yellow like tint off of my teeth. I think that if I had done it more consistently, I would have gotten an even brighter smile just because life was so hectic. I'm a mom of 3. Things happen. Sometimes I just wouldn't have the time at night to do it. So I think that it did work really well. My teeth did not get sensitive at all. I really didn't mind this process at all as far as the teeth whitening went. My gums did burn. At one point, the roof of my mouth was burnt from the whitening gel. So just be cautious of that. If you have a problem with sensitive gums, put some Vaseline on first before applying your whitening gel in your trays, just to kind of keep your gums safer and just to put a barrier between the gel and your gums. So I think that my experience was actually very positive. I would like to continue doing this to see if I can get them even brighter at home, because who has the time to go and have a dentist do this for you? I think this is a really great option at home. It's all very self-explanatory, easy to do, doesn't require a medical degree to do this. So I am very happy with my results and my experience with Smile Brilliant. I will leave the link for how to purchase this for yourself down below. So Smile Brilliant gave me the opportunity to offer you guys the Smile Brilliant Teeth Whitening Kit as a giveaway prize. So you guys will have a chance to win it and try it out for yourself. I will list all of the details on how to enter and the giveaway deadline in the description box below. So head on down there and check it out so that you guys can enter to win a whiter smile. I am very, very appreciative to Smile Brilliant for sending me this kit to try out. I had never done teeth whitening before, so it was a good first experience. So hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.